And with the deck done, Charlie's run out of excuses.
We've got planting medium with this stuff which is called hydroleaker. It's ever so light and porous, and we've mixed that in with the planting medium.
These are water-holding clay pebbles and are lighter than soil, so they're ideal for our green roof.
And we have a thin layer over, and then I'll plant through with the succulent sedum, sempervivum, that type of thing that puts up with really sort of drought conditions, also windy conditions, and full sunshine, which you will get on this side, and it will create a mat right the way across the roof, and it'll look gorgeous. So I'm going to plant them slightly proud, because I am then going to put very light gravel all the way around them.